In today's episode of How to Clog Your Arteries, we've got chicken curry on the menu cooked by my brother from the UK. This was absolutely delicious. To start off in a hot pan, we're gonna add some oil, onions, ginger garlic paste and saute it until it gets translucent. To that we added some chicken, and we let that saute for a little bit until the chicken was cooked. My brother's a musician and travels all around the world to perform, and so he was visiting Toronto. And while he was visiting, he decided to cook chicken curry for us. To the chicken, he added some water, and then he added the rest of the spices. I was so surprised to see my brother cook. He found out that I make TikTok videos and I share recipes, so he wanted to share his. And through this entire video, he kept saying this one thing. He said, it's all about the balance. Which I think is absolutely true if you think about it. After adding the spices, he added some yogurt, and he basically let that cook until the oil separated from the yogurt. He kept making me smell the food and kept praising himself. If there's one thing that I learned from my brother is that you should always be your own biggest fan. He added ghee and let that cook for a little bit and then topped it off with some ginger, chilies, coriander, and some lemon slices. This was absolutely delicious. So good that it might have been better than my mom's. I hope she doesn't watch this. If you're in the GTA, check out my brother's page to see where he's performing this week. Bye!